Welcome back students. So in the previous video, meaning of equation, then how to solve linear equation problems, then how to solve quadratic equation by using the method of factorization or by using the method of quadratic formula. So complete agide. Correct. So next concept, cubic equation. Cubic equation. Observe, cubic means what? 3. So observe, highest degree is equal to 3. Highest degree is equal to 3. So then the name called what? Cubic equation. So means the equation is of the form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0 means coefficient of x cube is equal to a, coefficient of x square b, coefficient of x c and constant d. And very important, always coefficient of x cube not equal to 0. Coefficient of x cube not equal to 0 because observe, suppose coefficient of x cube is equal to 0, 0 into anything is what? 0. Remaining bx square plus cx plus d, highest degree is equal to 2, then the name what? Quadratic equation. Cubic equation agalla. Correct? So therefore coefficient of x cube is always not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. So in cubic equation, by solving by the method of synthetic division, okay ನೋಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 6 is equal to 0. Highest degree 3. Definitely got 3 roots. Correct. So x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 is equal to 0. By using the method of synthetic division, cubic equation you reduce quadratic equation. Then quadratic equation ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. In the place of x substitute 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 and so on. But condition LHS is equal to RHS ಆಗಬೇಕು. LHS is equal to RHS. Observe, in the place of x substitute 1 cube value 1 minus 6, 1 square value 1, 6 into 1 value 6 plus 11 into 1 value 11 because in the place of x I substitute 1 minus 6 is equal to 0. LHS is equal to RHS possible agatta. LHS is equal to RHS 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6 is equal to 0. Yes, LHS is equal to RHS. So first root x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Observe synthetic division method. ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ observe ಮಾಡಿ. I think ಇದು new concept ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. So observe, coefficient of x cube ಏನಿದೆ? Coefficient of x cube 1. Correct? Yes. Coefficient of x square what? Minus 6s minus 6 and coefficient of x 11. Coefficient of x 11 and constant minus 6. Constant minus 6. So first root already you know what? X is equal to 1. First root already you know x is equal to 1. Observe. So now the first step, ಯಾವುದೇ ತರ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 1. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 into 1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 minus 6 plus 1 value minus 5 minus 5. Minus 5 into one value, minus 5. Minus 5. 11 minus 5 value, 6. 11 minus 5 value, 6. And 6 into 1 value, 6. Minus 6 plus 6 value, 0. 0 ಬದಲೇಬೇಕು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ x is equal to 1 is your correct root ಅಂತ. Okay? Once again observe. Coefficient of x cube 1. X square minus 6. X 11 and constant minus 6. And first root already know x is equal to 1. So, ಯಾವುದೇ ತರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, ಯಾವುದೇ ತರ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ 1. 1 into 1 value 1. Minus 6 plus 1 value minus 5. Minus 5 into 1 value minus 5. 11 minus 5 value 6. 6 into 1 value 6. So 6 into 1 value 6. Minus 6 plus 6 value 0 means cubic equation reduced quadratic equation. In quadratic equation highest degree 2. So means x square and x. Cubic equation you reduce quadratic equation. Correct. So observe next. 1 into x square because quadratic equation are convert agide. 1 into x square minus 5 into x minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Correct. Cubic equation reduce quadratic equation. According to the rules, quadratic equation, coefficient of x square and constant, 1 into plus 6 value plus 6. So multiplied your result plus 6. Either addition or subtraction, your result minus 5. Two roots are there. Two roots. 1 and 6. In factors of 6, in 1 into 6 and 2 into 3. But 1 into 6, is it possible? Agalla, because minus 5 iradrinda 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5. But 1 minus 6 is 1 into minus 6 is equal to minus 6 not plus 6. Under 1 and 6 agalla. Next options iride only 2 and 3. So 2 into 3 6. But your result is minus 5. So therefore minus 2 and minus 3. Correct? Minus 2 into minus 3 is equal to plus 6. Minus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 5. Correct? So x square minus 5x I rewritten in minus 2x minus 3x. Correct? Plus 6 is equal to 0. Plus 6 is equal to 0. Observe. First two term, any common? Yes, take x common terms, x. Remaining x minus 2. Next again, common terms, minus 3. Remaining x minus 2 is equal to 0. Again common, x minus 2. X minus 2. Remaining x minus 3 is equal to 0. If x minus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to plus 2. X minus 3 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 3. Okay? So 3 roots are x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3. Substitute. Suppose there is confusion agide sir, right or wrong and check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. In the place of x substitute 1, 2, 3, LHS is equal to RHS. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ? By using the method of synthetic division. Okay. Next problem, observe. ಈಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Because ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next problem. Observe. X cube minus x cube minus 7x square plus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay? Observe. Coefficient of x cube 1. X square coefficient minus 7. X coefficient 4. And constant 12. So first, x is equal to 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2 and so on. Substitute ಮಾಡಿ. LHS is equal to RHS ಆಗಬೇಕು. First, x is equal to 1. Observe. 1 cube value 1 minus 7 into 1 square value 1 plus 4 into 1 value 4 plus 12 is equal to 0. LHS is equal to RHS. Is it possible? No. So first rule x is equal to 1. Next, x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube minus 1 minus 7 into minus 1 whole square value plus 1 minus 7 into 1 value minus 7 plus 4 into minus 1 value minus 4 plus 12 is equal to 0. Minus 1 minus 7 minus 4 plus 12 is equal to 0. Yes, LHS is equal to RHS, and then minus 1 minus 7 minus 8 minus 8 minus 4 minus 12 minus 12 plus 12 is 0. And the first rule, x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 using the method of synthetic division. Cubic you reduce quadratic. Okay, one rule to the x is equal to minus 1 using synthetic division method. Synthetic division method. Coefficient of x cube, what? Yes, 1. Coefficient of x square, yes, minus 7. Minus 7. Coefficient of x, 4. And constant, 12. Constant, 12. First step, x is equal to minus 1 is your first rule. X is equal to minus 1 is your first rule. So ನೋಡಿ, first step, ಯಾವುದೇ ತರ simplification ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 into minus 1 value minus 1 minus 7 minus 1 value minus 8 minus 8 into minus 1 value plus 8 4 plus 8 value 12 12 into minus 1 value minus 12 12 minus 12 value 0. ನೀವು 0 ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So coefficient of x cube 1, x square minus 7, x 4 and constant 12. And first rule, x is equal to minus 1 means one first step as it is algebraic. Number 1 1 into minus 1 value minus 1 minus 7 minus 1 value minus 8 minus 8 into minus 1 value plus 8 4 plus 8 value 12 12 into minus 1 value minus 12 12 minus 12 value 0 means cubic you reduce quadratic. Quadratic ಅಂದ್ರೆ highest degree x square means 8 ಬರೀತೀರಾ. 1 into x square value x square minus 8 into x value minus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0. Plus 12 is equal to 0. So observe, coefficient of x square and constant, what? 1 into 12 plus 12. So product ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ plus 12, either addition or subtraction, your result minus 8. Two roots. So 2 and 6, yes, correct, 2 and 6. So minus 2, minus 6 value plus 12, minus 2, minus 6 value minus 8. So next term once continue ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. So root ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 6 and 3 roots, x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. After the concept, cubic equation. Okay. Some homework problems go to try one. Suppose ಏನಾದರೂ confusion ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. Okay. So first problem. Try one. X cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 is equal to 0. Second problem. 2x cube plus 9x square plus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Try ಮಾಡಿ. Suppose ಏನಾದರೂ confusion ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. Okay? So then last concept. Linear equation in two variables. two variables. Okay. Observe. So a bag contains apple and orange. But total number of fruits 10. ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ 10 ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ 10 ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಪಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಇರೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಸೊ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಪಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರೆಂಜಸ್? ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಬಟ್ ಪಕ್ಕ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಪಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರೆಂಜಸ್: 1 apple 9 orange, 2 apple 8 orange, 3 apple 7 orange, 4 apple 6 orange, 5 apple 5 orange, 6 apple 4 orange. 6 apple 4 orange. So ಇದರ ನೀವು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ total number of fruits 10. Condition compared to orange, two apples ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. Compared to orange, 2 apple ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. Means how to rewrite in the way of linear equation. Okay, so already you know number of apple plus number of orange is equal to 10. So I rewrite number of apple nothing but what? X, plus number of orange nothing but what? Y, is equal to 10. Here x and y be the two variables. And another condition is compared to orange, two apples ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ apple minus orange is equal to 2. Possible because total number of fruits 10, but compared to orange 2 apples ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ apple minus orange is equal to 2. Your main aim: find the values of x and y by using the method of simplification or by using the method of cross multiplication. But simplification process lengthy. In the place of y substitute, then expansion, find y value, then substitute, again x value. Process lengthy. But by using cross multiplication concept, ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Your main aim: find x and y. Then x is equal to observe. First equation coefficient of y into constant ಅಂದ್ರೆ b1 c2. next step before that minus constant into second equation coefficient of y ಅಂದ್ರೆ b2 c1 whole divided by first equation coefficient of x into second equation of coefficient of x into first equation coefficient of y andre a to b1. next step minus again coefficient of x a1, coefficient of y b2, means a1 b2. ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. so condition b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole divided by a2 b1 minus a1 b2, a2 b1 minus a1 b2. observe. So x is equal to coefficient of y 1 and constant 2. So 1 into 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. 1 into 2 and 1 into 2 nothing but what? 2. Next step minus. Coefficient of y minus 1 into 10. So means minus 10 whole divided by next year. Coefficient of x 1, coefficient of y 1 into 1 value 1, minus next step minus coefficient of x 1, coefficient of y minus 1 into minus 1 value minus 1 means x is equal to 2, minus into minus plus 10 whole divided by 1, minus into minus plus 1 means 12 divided by 1 plus 1 is equal to what? 2. X is equal to 6. Only one step. Or ಮತ್ತೆ confusion ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Coefficient of x, y and constant ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 1, 10. Next 1 minus 1 2. Second equation coefficient. Next 1 into 2. Next step minus 10 into minus 1 minus 10 divided by 1 into 1. Next step minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 in choice. So x is equal to 6. Okay. One variable gottaಯ್ತು x is equal to 6. Then how to find another variable y? Substitute any equation. We substitute any two equations. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ substitute ಮಾಡಿ. Either x plus y is equal to 10 or x minus y is equal to 2. Your choice. X plus y is equal to 10. In the place of x substitute 6. Means 6 plus y is equal to 10. 6 then you transpose to RHS. Nothing but what? Minus 6. And y is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to y is equal to 4. Means two variable x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4. Any confusion? So next another problem. Observe ಮಾಡಿ. Another problem. ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ observe ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. 2x plus y is equal to 10. 2x plus y is equal to 10. Next x minus 2y. X minus y. X minus y is equal to 2. 2x plus y is equal to 10. X minus y is equal to 2. Find x and y. Observe. Coefficient of x 2, coefficient of y 1, constant 10, correct? Coefficient of x 1, coefficient of y minus 1, constant 2. So x is equal to 1 into 2. What? 2. Next minus 10 into minus 1 minus 10. Correct? Whole divided by 1 into 1 value 1. Next step minus 2 into minus 1 value minus 2. ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 2 into minus 1 value minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 plus 10 value 12 divided by minus into minus plus 1 plus 2 value 3. 12 divided by 3 4. So x is equal to 4. ನೋಡಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. X is equal to 4. Next, substitute in the place x, either 2x plus y is equal to 10 or x minus y is equal to 2. So 2x plus y is equal to 10. X is equal to 4. Substitute. 2 into 4 value 8 plus y is equal to 10. So then y is equal to what? Y is equal to 10 minus 8 means y is equal to 2. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ? Just maximum 3 to 4 steps. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿ x and y value. Any confusion? Okay? So very important concept, equation. Equation nothing but so two expressions are equal. First condition linear. Highest degree is equal to 1. Suppose you transpose LHS to RHS. Positive changes to negative, negative changes to positive. Multiplication changes to division, division changes to multiplication. Okay? Then quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, IH to degree is equal to 2. So equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. By using the method of factorization or by using the method of quadratic formula. Quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Correct? So next, cubic equation. Cubic equation by using the method of synthetic division means cubic, then you reduce quadratic, then quadratic by using the method of factorization or by using the method of quadratic formula, your choice. So then, linear equation in two variables by using the method of cross multiplication. Nodi competitive part tumba important. Correct aga ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay? So ಏನಾದರೂ confusion ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. Okay? Thank you.